Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Blue Cross Blue Shield to access policy documents. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website URL. Once the home page loads, look for the Register or Create Account option, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Register or Create Account button to begin the registration process. You will be redirected to a registration page. Here, enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and date of birth. Next, create a secure password that meets the site's requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. After filling in all required details, read the terms and conditions carefully. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Continue or Submit button to proceed. You may receive a verification email to the address you provided. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Blue Cross Blue Shield. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Log in using your registered email address and password. After logging in, navigate to the Policy Documents section. Here, you will find all the available documents related to your policy. Feel free to download or view any documents you need. You have now successfully registered with Blue Cross Blue Shield and can access your policy documents at any time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.